Hey guys, this is Tarun here from Minus Gateway. So this is a follow-up video on the NB Miner version 41.3, which had some stability fixes for the LHR unlock for all the NVIDIA GPUs, the 3 series RTX 3 series 3000 series GPUs. And to sum it all up, looks like both my rigs, which is running an LHR RTX 3060 and 3060 Ti version 2, and one of my rigs which has the RTX 3060 version 1 LHR card, are working stable from the past 16 hours, right? I have not seen any kind of a hash rate drop or anything of that sort on these on this GPU, for especially this one. This is a version 1 LHR GPU, RTX 3060. If you look at it, it is running at 50.05 mega hash and drawing about 110 watts with 1605 locked core clock and 2800 memory clock, right? So from what I see, it looks stable. So let me go to my other rig, which has 3060 Ti and three RTX 3060s. If you look here, my RTX 3060, these are all RS Elite, and one is an MSI Ventus X2. So they are running pretty well as well. So they are doing about 50.05 mega hashes and 50.06, and this one has dropped a little bit to 49.37, but it automatically climbs back up. See, if you refresh, so it automatically climbs back up to 50.06 mega hashes. And the best performing card right now is the 3060 Ti, which is giving me about 61.51 mega hashes at about 140 watts at 1605 and 2400 memory clock and 1605 core clock, right? And they have been running pretty stable, all right. And so far, I have not seen any issues for about 16 hours and 44 minutes. So looks like NB Miner has managed to unlock these LHR cards, or uh, bypass the LHR lock. I'm sorry. And if you look at the latest update, also they are coming up with 41.4, which unlocks the RTX 3080 and the 3050, which again looks very promising at this point of time. And they have been doing a great job with this as well, right? If you remember, NB miners were the first one to actually have these LHR cards partially unlocked when these were released. Now they are the first to actually release an uh, unlock for 100% unlock for all the LHR cards. Nice Ash, we are not going to consider because of their own because of its own reasons. That is for another video. We'll discuss that later. But at this point of time, it looks very good and promising in the coming days. Though Ethereum is going to proof of stake, at least it looks like we are getting somewhere. We can maximize our profits because of these higher hash rates. So this looks very promising. So kudos to NB Miner and T-Rex Miner for actually bringing having this achieve this. And all the best, guys, to everybody for getting their cards unlocked and mining at full hash rate. So and interestingly, they are promising about 100 mega hash on the 12 GB RTX 3080. So that sounds promising, and 27 mega hash on the RTX 3050. So that sounds promising. So let's keep an eye out for this as well. So for people with RTX 3080 12 GB and people using 3050, at least they're going to see some substantial improvement in their hash rate. So what I've heard is this unlocks up to about 90%, the 41.4. So that so that 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 that's really sounds good. So if you like my content, please to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. You'll be supporting me by doing so, and keep me motivated to do more content. um, until the next video, I'll talk to you soon. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.